Acid reflux and heartburn, also known as GERD, can have very harmful effects in your oral cavity. These acids can lead to breakdown of one or many of your teeth. If this happens, it can lead to obviously very painful things within your oral cavity, both financially and physically. This can also lead to very painful things within your digestive tract. They can also lead to different forms of cancers. If you think that this may be happening to you, have a discussion with your dental healthcare team. They'll be able to examine your mouth and let you know if they see any signs or symptoms of these things, and then direct you to your healthcare team for some follow-up tests. It's important that these things are caught early so they can be turned around and reversed.